Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create such viral AI shorts very fast in the extreme fastest way possible. As you can see, this channel has posted just 11 videos and it has crossed 682k subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. As you can see, this popular video has 93 million views, 47 million views, 23 million views, 13 million views. Another channel in the same niche you can see here, Dim Viral, and it has posted almost 192 videos and it has crossed 1 million subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. If you notice its popular videos, you will see that it has crossed 60 million views, 44 million views, 31 million views, and in the same way 25 million views. And this channel is absolutely new, but this has also great number of views. In the same way, this channel posted 154 videos, and this. So I'm going to show you how you can do exactly the same in the extreme fastest way. If I play this video, you will see that what's happening is